The Hennepin County Attorney's Office tonight is promising to share more information in court about a police officer's history of misconduct.
For years, Hennepin County used what some have called a flawed system. Investigative reporter Ryan Raish has reported on this issue for years and joins us to explain the changes.
Yeah, lawyers refer to this as Brady material, but for people in the community, this is about the right to a fair trial, and it's something that County Attorney Mary Moriarty campaigned on more than a year ago, promising to shake up the system. In the basement of the Government Center, Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty described a new division in her office with one important mission in court.
We have an obligation to put on witnesses that we believe will be credible.
Moriarty is specifically referring to police officers. And in court, her office is required to share potentially damning details in an officer's past. For the people watching this, why is this important?
Because we want to do this right. We want people to have fair trials.
Moriarty says she's now collecting a broader set of information about officer misconduct from all 35 police agencies in the county. That includes a new process to obtain information not available to the public. Does this mean your office would be told about, say, active complaints against a police officer when it deals with trustworthiness or use of force?
Yes, potentially. As prosecutors, we still have an obligation to be looking at the conduct and disclosing that if necessary.
The new system is designed to prevent cases like this one that 5 Investigates highlighted in 2022. We found a prosecutor accused an MPD officer of engaging in a cover-up in court, but the same officer was called to testify again in another case, and none of it was disclosed. Would the new policy catch something that outrageous?
Yes, we have to be consistent.
Brooklyn Park Police Chief Mark Bruley applauded the new system.
I lacked the confidence in the previous administration and how we were doing things. There was many loopholes, and I think we could have done it better, and this process has tightened that up.
It's really exciting because I think it's a new era of cooperation and communication between our office and law enforcement.
Something else our previous reporting found is that when a judge finds an officer not credible, that information was never saved. Moriarty says now it will be. Now, all of this, you guys, is typically referred to as a Brady list, and we have learned that is a point of contention in Hennepin County. The old administration, we asked repeatedly, they said they do not keep a Brady list. Moriarty said today that is simply not true. She says there has always been a Brady list, and that will continue to be the case.
Okay, so moving forward, what does this mean? What if an officer is on that list?
Moriarty is very clear on this, and she says it doesn't mean it's a career ender for the officer. It simply means that there's something in the file that they may have to disclose in court by law.
All right, it's on the record.
That's right.
Ryan, thank you.